This is Jerry from Sea Eagle Boats, and today we're going to install the swivel seat fishing frame on the FS-126. To start, place the frame between the D-rings, take the strap and put it upside down with the free end towards the front of the board. Fold the strap in half. You can see the Sea Eagle logo, and push the strap through the D-ring and over the top of the bar. Pick up the bar and put the strap around the bar. Pull it tight. Pull the strap and fold the strap on top of itself. Run the strap under the bar and through the front D-ring. Make a loop. Pull the loop around the front bar. At this point, you want to pull any slack from the strap that runs under the bar. Then pull the free end to tighten the loop, and run the free end through the buckle. Pull the strap tight again. Run the free end through the buckle, the back of the buckle. Then fold the excess strap underneath. You could also shorten the strap by cutting it, mark it and cut it, and then seal the edge with heat so it doesn't fray.